Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting materials and prepping the repair area. First, choose the correct glass fiber cloth weight, 1/8 to 1/4-inch weave for moderate strength, and lay out enough to overlap the repair by at least 1 in. Next, mix resin and hardener at a 2:1 ratio by weight, use a digital scale, and mix slowly to avoid air. Once done, clean the surface with acetone and roughen it with 80-120 grit. This ensures adhesion and prevents delamination when you apply the wet layup. You now perform the wet layup, and timing matters. Saturate the first layer of glass fiber with resin, working from the center outward to push out air and prevent bubbles. Use a brush for saturation and a roller to consolidate. Make sure each layer is fully wetted before adding the next. If you see dry patches, apply more resin immediately. Depending on the expected load, plan for 2 to 4 layers. Finally, maintain the recommended cure temperature. Lower temps extend cure time, so plan accordingly. You complete the job by letting the laminate reach full cure. Check the resin spec for hours at your ambient temperature. Do not sand or load early. Once cured, sand starting with 80 grit, then progress to 220 for a smooth finish and seal with a thin finishing coat of resin. Inspect for voids or delamination. If you find separation, drill a small vent, inject mixed resin into the plane, and clamp until cured. Troubleshoot by checking mix ratio and working temperature. Those are the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.